Once you're on your way to where you're going, the venue will help you arrive safe and sound. Our innovative Hyundai Smart Sense technology suite surrounds you with advanced safety features. Detecting the closing gap between a vehicle or pedestrian ahead, Forward-Collision Avoidance Assist is designed to warn you of a potential collision in certain circumstances. If you don't stop in time, emergency braking is applied to avoid an accident. If you drift outside your lane, Lane Keeping Assist is designed to alert you with audible and visual cues, and if necessary, the system can gently correct your steering to help you remain within your lane. Switch lanes with more confidence. The blind spot collision warning is designed to alert you if a vehicle is in your blind spot. Turning your high beams on and off isn't just easier, it's automatic with High Beam Assist, which detects oncoming traffic and will turn your high beams on and off accordingly. When it comes to backing in and out of city parking spots, Venue helps you see what's behind you. With rear cross-traffic collision warning, sensors are designed to alert you if a vehicle is approaching from the left or right as you're reversing. Whether you're on an epic road trip or you hustled from gig to gig all day, it's important to always be alert behind the wheel. That's why Driver Attention Warning monitors your driving patterns and warns you if it detects drowsy or inattentive driving.